Okay, we should be live now.
Okay, we should be live now.
Okay, we should. I'm echoing. I'm going to make an announcement about this now. Okay. Hopefully this will. I got a mod view. Okay, there we go. So welcome everyone. It's been a while since I've done a live stream, mainly because I've been on vacation for like the past month and a half. If you guys are wondering where all the updates were, let's lower the audio. Okay, so there's been a lot of bugs that have been reported throughout the game, that's mainly what we're going to be fixing today, and add some features. Yeah. If you guys are new chat, you can ask questions anytime. Feel free to answer. I'll be ready to answer them. So some of the bugs we have is okay, so we have power up UI doesn't show. I think I fixed that. We need a C4 limit. Currently with the utility, with the C4, you place down infinite amounts of them and it will basically crash your game. It's gonna take a bit to get back to the workflow. I haven't messed around that much with the code base. So I need to first see where I even. So I need to delete the old C4 if you place down more than 2. So I need to first figure out where all the C4 are. And I forgot where I kept that. I think it was in Weapon Manager server. Yes, I did. Okay. I do not organize it by the owner, though. Though I don't think that's really that big of an issue. Let's see where else I reference utilities. Oh, okay, it shouldn't be that bad. Okay. So I guess we can just check how many utilities a person has. Alright, we need to first check if it's a C4. How do I know which weapon it is? Okay, it's this one. So if it's a C4, then we need to check how many C4 there are. And from there we have the count. If amount is greater or equal to. I think I have a detonate thing as well. Detonate utility. Uh, oh, I think I save on the client. Detonate utility. Oh, you're releasing it soon? Uh, we don't have a specific release date yet. We are getting pretty close to the end though. There isn't much more content to add. It's mainly just bug fixing at the moment. I'll say I'm gonna make sure the audio qualities are good. You're gonna hear echo quickly. 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 I think it's decent. Welcome virtual. I don't think you didn't make any other guns, right? I think they're all in the game. Okay. So at this point, if you have 2 utility or more, then we get the oldest. So if... Oh, I need 2 things. Oldest. Uh, let's swap these around. So the lower the number, the better. It means older. So if projectile data, start tick. Oh, those guns? Yeah, those are coming out later. The ones for release, I'm pretty sure are all in. So if it is smaller than the oldest projectile timestamp, then we set that. Projectile ID, ID, and it should get us the last, the last C4 placed down. Now I need to see how to get rid of it. What's clean utility do? Okay, Belears destroy it. If I remember correctly, I think it's handled on the server. I guess I'll copy a portion of this. Hopefully that should work. Now it's time to test it. I don't remember last time if we finished the Mustang and Sally for spectating, but new bugs have arisen with that. A dark matter camo. A dark matter.
Power level critical. Major
Okay,
systems
1,
offline.
2. It did. I didn't delete the old one. Um, is it preset avatars or your Roblox avatar? It's currently preset. Wonder why this ain't working though. This might be nil or something. If the start tick is less. Can you estimate how close this game is? I can't give you like numbers, but all the major contents in the game. I'm mainly doing bug fixing. Was it? Oh yeah, C4. That. Oh, I got Semtex. Huh. Should have gotten rid of it then. Uh. You want friendly fire? It's funny. Hmm. Clean utility. Oh, this may not be working because I don't think I stored the utility. Where did I store this then? I'm looking at weapon manager client. So create it. Where do I put this? Our skin's going to be bought or in-game quests on each gun, like in Modern Warfare 3 Zombies. We're gonna have our own in-game currency, and we have challenges, like daily challenges, to get currency, so you can get skins that way. TRTF, stop asking that question. Huh, how do I reference this then? Um, it's gonna be kind of scuffed, but it should work. B4 IDs. Utility is okay. Local utility. I think that should be it. Slight scuffed way of doing this. More C4.
Power level critical.
Yay, got rid of it.
Systems offline.
Cool. You can only have 2 placed down now at max. Let me make something quickly. Okay. So C4. Thought I fixed this bug. C4 explosion size. Uh. No, I did fix this. Is customization going to be limited to just skins, or will there be charm stickers? Currently customization is limited to skins and attachments at the moment. Though we can always add stuff for future updates. This is just how it is going to be on the base launch. Will there be unlimited level? Depends on what you're talking about. Weapon level or player level? There is a level cap to both things, both the weapon level and player level. If I have bad PC, can I run on low? So far from my testing, you can. I don't know how well it can handle it when there is a lot of action happening, when you're like at really high rounds. But for the most part, I think it should be able to handle it. And my bad PC, I'd need to know like how bad it is. Um, make sure. I thought I fixed this already. Script history. Standard radius and distance. Bro, I can't spell. Explosive. Yeah, I think I already handled this. Oh, hey, Sani. Metallica. Is the audio level good, or I can't tell? For music. A little low. Let's increase on OBS a bit. Is that better? My mic is too low, Zol. Let me know how that sounds now. In the meantime, let me look at the next bug. Oh yeah, I need to add elite damage. Currently, we found an issue where I didn't account for utilities basically one shot every zombie, but I did not count for bosses like the Pentagon Thief, so you could one shot them with grenades before. How far is the development going? I don't know what that means. And I don't know what you mean by isn't anyone allowed to watch the live show? At the current moment, I have, I think, elite damage, yeah. And I forgot how that works. Elite damage. So bosses are currently categorized as elites. So the Pentagon Thief is an elite class. Min multiplier. Oh, okay. Will attachments be bought for in-game currency unlocked via kills or quests? Currently, they're in-game currency, or you can just get it by leveling up the gun. There's people asking about anti-cheat. It's we have some anti-cheat, but we don't have Riot anti-cheat. We don't have Vanguard typo. What do you mean I can't see the live? It might be a Twitch issue. I think everyone else can see fine. So how I calculate explosive damage at the moment is they either get 25%, the lowest damage you can do is 25% of their health, or one-shot them. So I need to add it for tomahawks as well, because tomahawks, I believe, one-shot them right now. I guess I'll... I don't know where to add this exactly. I guess here. I don't know how much damage to make this do. I'll make this like 175 for now. Actually, 200. Oh, is the link in sent? Is it send you a mobile link? I'll change that. I was writing it in mobile, or I copy and paste it from my phone. You can click on the link again. I changed in announcements if you want. Uh, I think this should work. I need to see how the tomahawk is. I think tomahawk at the moment is one shots. Uh, tomahawk damage. I'm blind. So it's on the server. Damage is the max health. Okay. I need to change how much damage that does. And I see how I got. So, gold elite. Zombie class is by getting this. Uh, oh, let me change my status as well. For how you make it show streamer mode on Discord. Okay. I'm unsure of how that works. I give up. Is there special kinds of zombies or is it just regular boss ones? At the moment, the other type of zombies are armored zombies. Like, yeah, I enabled streamer mode, but I forgot how to get like the purple icon to show in Discord on your status. Yeah. I got it work in the past, but that was like a year ago. What's the song called? Uh, Gasoline by Demon Hunter. If you want, I can also do this here. Alright, okay, copy link. I don't know if this will work, but if you want the playlist, I don't know if that link will work. So if it's an elite class, then we will deal damage based on how much we say it does. So tomahawk dot. Or we just deal the max health. Yeah. Let me know if the playlist link works. And now we have to test, like any good developer. If you can see, we have dog rounds coded, but you won't be able to you won't see hellhounds until future updates. Currently, dog rounds on 5 are coded for the Pentagon Thief. And I think that should make him spawn in. Welcome, 37i. Okay, I'm gonna adjust his speed so he's super slow. TR, just like, I don't know, just talk about relevant stuff to the stream. I don't know what to say to that if you take offense to being called a kid or being called young. Oh, I spelled something wrong. I don't know how that got there. How often will there be update? Whatever we can push out. Just so you guys know, like, majority of our development team, we all are in school. At least me and or I think Abrams is now. I know if he. I think he's starting college pretty soon, but I'm in college at the moment. So we don't. This isn't our full time job, unfortunately.
Power level
Though I'd love to make it a
critical.
full time job.
Major systems offline.
On level 3.
No, it's I have a studio.
Wait, is that a disfigured Aldrich?
Yeah. If I could make all of this by myself, I would be super impressed. Okay, I broke something. Oh no, I didn't break. Uh, that is not working the best. Why is it welding onto him like that? Huh. Okay, I think I never expected you to be able to damage a zombie. I don't think I counted for this case. Let me get the tomahawk. Yeah, okay. Hmm. The sanitarium, like I'm mainly just like the manager and programmer. And then other people on our team handle animation. We have one other person handling animation, contractors and modelers. Yeah, this game was actually supposed to come out. I think we're internally planning a release date of last February. We have blown so far past that deadline. So I need to see what's wrong with tomahawks now. You can say majority of the questions that are being asked are like when the game's gonna be released. That's like the most frequent question I get asked. Uh, create lasting projectile. Sometimes it's going through the zombie. Will there be limited camo? Um, I believe we are adding limited skins in the form of bundles. Like think of Valorant. Let me get some more tomahawks.
Power level critical. Major systems
Okay,
offline.
that one worked.
Finally, initiate security protocol.
How about this one? This one just went through him. Player collision stuck. I'm confused by the second time it's going through the zombie. Oh, is it? I think I might know why. If I look at this, I think he's probably considered dead, but he's not dead. Is he considered dead? No, he's not dead. Why? What's the max rank going to be when the game's public? I think at the moment the max rank is 56, if I'm correct. Though that's subject to change. Projectile props. I might, let me see if it's, no, it should be hitting him. Why is this not damaging him? Tomahawk damage. I need to see if something here is causing it to delete the zombie or something. Prediction of what will be the highest round first week of launch. Honestly, the bottleneck is gonna be when your Roblox client crashes. Or if your internet goes out, I think. Unlike how COD does it, you can't have like an offline version of the game. You're required to have a internet connection. So that's like the big limiting factor. 50, 60, 70 runs are actually pretty simple. Actually, I think we've internally hit a record of like 50 or 60 already during testing. Um, Also, I think that the collisions are not disabled by default. Do I seriously want to change the collision? Go to the end. Utility. Oh, I changed the collision to true. I forgot why I made that the case. How many people are on the development team? Um, it depends on what you're talking about, like full-time developers or like everyone who's contributing to the game. Wait, what happens if I change this? I don't know why I added this. Well, I need a camo, different shooting effects. I think we're thinking of bringing back the one from Rush Point where you can have different muzzle shooting. So that might make a comeback. We're possibly going to see custom maps. If the game is popular enough for a while, I'm thinking to introduce a custom map editor so anyone can create maps.
Power level critical. Major
Warning.
systems
Breach
offline.
detected on level 3.
Hey, Aldrich,
Initiate security
you're looking a
protocol.
little.
Though doing a custom map editor is you have to basically build all the tools yourself, and it's very limiting on what you'll be able to do. It's a lot of stuff you have to program yourself, but you don't get access to code directly in code the map directly yourself. Otherwise, you'd just be able to like change stuff, like give yourself infinite points and stuff, and currency, which you should not be able to do. Okay, that's stuck. Wait, so it's only if I hit his head? If I hit his leg, it doesn't... Unless my aim is bad. Oh, my aim actually might be bad. No, it's definitely going through him. Someone's gonna backdoor one. That's why, like, I'm planning to not even, like, allow, like, programming at all for custom map editors. Because trying to sandbox it is incredibly difficult. And if it's not done properly, people can backdoor it. Oh, this song. So I can hit their head. I'm just gonna keep it like this until I find an issue. Oh, is it because of I know why. It's because of grenades. They need to be able to bounce off walls. So I would just say if it's a grenade, I guess. Let's see, if utility name. So the only things that can like bounce off are monkey bombs, grenades. I think that's the only things. What top leaderboard person gets special camo? I forgot the. It's been a while, but I don't remember. We do give rewards to the top people on the leaderboard. I don't remember what they were. I know one of the things is you get premium currency, and you also get a special chat tag for where you place and stuff. And I believe there might be a skin as well. Or camo, yeah. I'm gonna debug this. I am unsure what's happening. Because I don't do... There's no real, like, hitbox with the tomahawk. It's just a single... It's array. Oh, let's see. That's true. I'm happy to see people are anticipating the release of the game. Okay, so if I throw this, it should show an arc. Yeah.
Power level critical. Major
I-
systems
Breach
offline.
detected on level 3.
Finally,
Initiate security protocol.
I wish I was better at math, so I could like make it so this would like actually lodge into the walls properly. But I spent too long trying to figure that out and I gave up. Yeah, that literally just went through his arm. But if I hit his head counts. The hitbox, like, it should be like, anytime my crosshair turns red, that should be stuff you can actually hit. So everything here, you should, like, I can shoot this part. But for some reason, the tomahawk does not want to hit it. Are there ACOG sites? I think so. I wasn't super into, like, I wasn't planning which attachments. It was on the modelers to conceptualize them. What is up with you? Those are clothes. I believe you cannot. You can. Oh, can you shoot clothes? No, you can. Uh. So how come I can hit his head? Um. Looks like more of an issue on the zombie. I don't think it's like their utilities and bullet projectiles are handled a bit differently. There's a thing called collision groups where you can say, hey, these two things will collide with each other and these two things will not. I think I kind of screwed up the collision groups to where, like, utility will not interact with some parts of the zombies. I think that is the issue here. Like, I can test if this is a tomahawk issue, because I think you can hit them with semtexes. Trying to make sure this guy doesn't hit me, otherwise he's gonna teleport me. Let's see, will this work? No, semtexes land on him. So I think it's a straight up tomahawk issue. Oh, wait, what? I went through him there. Okay, let me look at this then. Yeah. Arms do not get hit. Will the zombie animation change or not? It's scary seeing the zombie doing the defeat walk animation at full speed. We might add more zombie animations in the future, but at the moment they are gonna be in the game. Let me see. Wait, let me see how I define these collision groups. So, oh gosh, this is always a headache. So, the two collision groups we're dealing with is zombie before barricade, which is this one. Okay. Oh, okay. Utilities and these two do not interact. Which collision group am I using? Raycast utility. Oh, that's probably why. This is right here. These two make it so they don't interact with each other. And I think you were right. I think it is a hitbox issue. I don't think the zombie's not supposed to have this collision group set. How we have it is sometimes zombies they used to collide with each other and get stuck on each other before they exited the barricade. So to combat that, we made it so when they haven't passed the barricade, they will not collide with each other. And when they get out of the barricade, that's when they can collide with each other. but at the moment that's not working properly. Like even after they get out of the barricade, they're still able to go through each other. So that was another thing that was brought up. So I need to see where I set this. Zombie before a barricade. Create collision group. Okay. Um. Chase player. When do I call this? Um. Time to break the whole game. Yeah, that happens a lot. Is it always going through each other, mess anything up? Um. Not really. It's just a visual thing. Like, it's if you have them not colliding with each other, they get into like a super condensed blob, like 60 zombies. They can cause frame rate dips, and they can make the game more easier than it's supposed to be. What new thing have you added since last stream? Not much. It's just mainly bug fixing. Okay, I only call chase player ones. So, okay, I'm thinking. So this is the code. So after they get out of the barricade, they should stop the zombies from colliding with each other. The issue with the Pentagon Thief is it does not set this. So it's still, the game still thinks he's behind a barricade. So I'm gonna put a part of this function, chase player. That's when they actually start chasing the player. Let's see if that helps fix stuff. One notorious thing about like COD zombies is you getting body blocked by zombies. And we're recreating that. Yeah, apparently, like, yeah, coding's figuring out, yeah, what I did wrong. That is it all the time. Okay, oh, not that. I want Tomahawk. I'm gonna make sure it was set correctly.
Is that me from the future?
Power level critical. Major systems offline.
Where do I put
Warning.
zombies
Breach
here?
detected on level 3.
Okay, it seems like that's
Protocol
correct, I think.
115.
It attached. Okay. I fixed it. Now I can just lob tons of tomahawks at him. I think. Huh. I probably should make them deal more damage, honestly. What's the molly do to this guy? Barely anything. That's to be expected, though. Is there gonna be anything like you can buy stuff with, like, in-game currency? Yeah. With Robux you can buy in-game currency. I think that's the only thing you can buy at the moment. Oh. No, all the purchases are done through in-game currency. Besides refreshing daily challenges. That one, if you want to refresh daily challenges, you do that through Roblox, I believe. That's something I have not programmed yet, though. We fixed that. Next thing is, I want to make sure zombies actually collide with each other now. Daily challenges. It's actually already programmed. Like here, I can show you the main menu. Yeah, we already have daily challenges here. The thing I was talking about is we have a thing where you can spend Robux to refresh them. If you want to grind them, for example. Once everything loads, I guess. Roblox takes a bit. Alright, it's loading, and there you go. This is the button to refresh. Do you have a queue of them lined up? Are you talking about like every time I refresh it? So it refreshes for the same time for everybody. So it actually refreshed like 30 minutes ago. 4 p.m. PST. It refreshes for everyone, and it randomizes the challenges. So it picks 4 random challenges, and it gives you them. Oh yeah, this is one thing I've added, not on stream. You can actually start seeing your gun now on the wall. I believe you can also see attachments as well. Oh yeah, you can see gun previews now. It's pretty cool. Uh, why is the mag not showing on that? Uh, I am. What is going on with that? Why is it invisible? Okay. That seems to be a bug, but previews are kind of working, I guess. You can see we have a lot of guns in the game so far. Submachine guns, shotguns. In total, I think we have 34, 36 guns in the game. Don't remember the exact count. We also have pistols, sniper rifles. Oh. I don't know why it's... Okay, we need to fix this as well. The model, or... This gun was rigged wrong. The latch should be folded. Or in a down position. These don't seem fine, though. This is the preview of the store currently. It hasn't been coded at all. Mr. T Lexby, can't wait to play this. Oh, did you do a stream recently on that? So elite damage is done. I can mark that off the Trello. Will there be perks that will be upgradable with in-game currency? Actually, yes. I can show that off. Oh, and this icon, the quick play icon, that's new. Here, yeah, you can upgrade your perks here. It's gonna take a while for everything to load. I'm unsure if I showed the crystal icons yet. Once it loads, yeah, there you go. These are the crystal icons, and these are the perk icons. These are all the ammo mods as well in the game currently. Release estimation? Soon. That's all I can say. Oh, I don't know if I showed this. So this is the, these are chat tags you can get. You can equip them and unequip them. And see, I think this should work. Yeah, it'll show in chat. You can move it, and I'll hide it. So you get this from the leaderboard. And you can also add banners and emblems. So if I move this, you get this is how it'll look by default without this. And you put in like banners and stuff. So you can look cool. You can get all your stats in the game. In-game playtime. You can see how long you've been no-lifing the game. You can see, every single thing you can unlock in the game. It's not fully finished, it's almost finished. It's coming along. Leaderboard. I think I've shown this, but you can see a lot of stuff with it. And see, Abrix has been grinding a ton. 2,700 kills so far. I, on the other hand, do not have much. But you can see up to, I think, the top 1,000 players currently in the game. And scroll down quite far. Currently in 4th place. Are there any Easter eggs? Yes, there are. I'm excited to see how people, or how fast it'll take people for them to figure out the Easter eggs. At the like the biggest Easter egg right now is on 5. So add highest wave to statistics. Highest wave is it's a weird thing because that is not. That's something that's like map specific. It's not like a general stat that you can just put on. Since some maps are easier, some maps are harder. Alright, I want to test the zombie collisions. We spawn more than one zombie now. Will the leaderboard be started when the game's finished? Yeah. Everything is wiped. This is all testing at the moment. It's gonna take a while to load. Oh, I'm dumb. I need to disable Pentagon Thief. Oh, there we go. If you guys are also curious, we don't use Roblox data stores at all. You can't like the leaderboard system we're trying to do, you can't even do on Roblox data stores. So we've had to get custom databases implemented, which Rushpoint helped a lot with, like for like learning how to do that. When I was at RDC last time, I was asking some of the engineers there on like updates to like more data store functionality, and all they said is soon, in like many years. Functionality including like transactions, multi-key, or like multi-key transactions, and just more operations that other custom databases allow. Let's see, will you guys go through each other? Yes, I think they go through each other. Can't tell. Are they going through each other? Wait, no, I don't think they are going through each other. Never mind. That should be fine. Yeah, they do collide. That's good. Will there be red dot sniper scope attachments? There will be red dots. Maybe sniper scope. Definitely on the snipers. There will be other types of scopes. Currently cannot customize the reticle. That could be an update. They're gonna be streaming the game when it's public. I don't think I will because I am gonna be flooded with so many bug reports as soon as the game gets released. And I'll be spending like a whole week staying up all night trying to fix them. Just like how it happened with Rush Point. Okay, get to know the collision issue isn't a thing. So apparently the death machine causes ear rape. Can you inspect guns? We do not have inspecting of the guns at the moment. It's something we could add in the future. I'm not opposed to it. What's it gonna add next? Oh, the minigun. So I need to see how this bug happens first. So we will pull this up. This is what I love about ultra-wide monitors. It makes life so much easier. Do you have anything to do with Valor zombies? I don't know what that means. I don't know what that question is asking. Will there be a new weapon in Rush Point? Rush Point's like, it's on a big hiatus. We're putting all our funding towards Korrupt right now, so there isn't really anyone working on it right now. If you're curious about the functionality of how our lobby system works, if you haven't seen it, you can see it for the first time. We still have one more icon that needs to be made here, but you can join your friends to public lobbies and kick people. We also have modifiers, so we added more modifiers. You can change how the game is. Though if you change any of these modifiers from the default setting, you will not be able to get on the leaderboard. So it's like mainly if you want to like test stuff or you want to make a challenge or try something new. So I need to get the death machine. Oh, I need to probably spawn it in. I think no. I think I spawned it in here. Yes, there it is. Death machine. Let me. I don't think there's any packages to commit. Oh, there's a few actually. I wonder what will go crazy in this game. I don't know how much more we're gonna take from COD. We probably are gonna start backing away after town. We don't want to get ourselves eyed by Activision. Easter egg cutscenes, there aren't any Easter egg cutscenes. That's hardcore, like hardcore. I think here's a good explanation of it. Do y'all plan on making custom wonder weapons? Yes. And you'll see that. We already have one in the game. You'll see it eventually. It's not something I'm going to showcase. Is there solo and team leaderboards? Yes, there's solo and there's group leaderboards. So you can play with your friends to get on the leaderboard. They're ranked separately. I think I'm ready to test now. Is there rank symbols? There is not. Okay, who will get the death
Power
machine?
level critical.
Okay,
Major
I guess
systems
this guy.
offline.
I am going to mute this audio. Turn on this audio. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. Let me pause the game first. Can you guys hear this is a question? Oh. Let me unpause the game. You cannot hear that. I will quickly change it. Alright, there. Let's see if this happened. So this is third person audio. Apparently there's a bug where like it would ear rape you. I'm not getting that to happen right now though. Will there be more loadouts? You can unlock more loadouts through leveling up. How do you get that bug to happen? Is it something to do with auto reload? Yeah, I'm not getting anything. I'm gonna ask for clarification on this bug. I guess I'll just put this on the back burner until I can figure out what's causing this. On hold. Not replicate issue. Oh. Rip Bart. Okay, I'm going to close this now. What is left to do till it's out? We haven't done monetization yet, so we need to do that at the shop and bug fixing, and that's it. So other things we can add are, I don't know if we had another programmer who was supposed to work on wall buys. I don't know if they added it. Do you know what around when? It's soon. It's coming out soon. No specific date. I don't think the other developer worked on it. I don't think, because we have a cost associated with it. Yeah. Start value. I don't think. Yeah, we don't change it. So basically what we're trying to do is when the rarity of the weapon on the wall buy, the rarity increases as the rounds progress. We also need to change the price on it. How many wonder weapons are in the game? As of now, there is 3. Is the game releasing on March 31st? It's anytime between now and March 31st. Update tiers. So here is where I'll put it. New wall buy. So I need to save the original cost to this. So I'll do this attribute original cost. So whenever I edit the price, get attribute times the weapon tier. Mat dot not xp dot pal tier 1.5. Wait, no. It's 1.5 to the power of tier minus 1, I think. So, oh no, it should be minus 2, I think. So 2 is, I believe, uncommon. That's the base price. So if you do 1.5 to the power of 0, you're just gonna get the original cost. And then from there, every time the tier is upgraded, the price will increase by 50%. You dropped a 4 down the sink. What's a... Oh, fork? How... Do you not have, like, what is it called? Like those, it's like metal thing to catch stuff? How'd it fall through there? A very thin fork. Oh, jeez. Dude, it's so hard to, like, sit down or walk at all. Yesterday was the first time I hit legs at the gym, and I am in so much pain right now. Stuck in the trap with a chopstick. Do you work out at all? Update game loop server. So I will set the round number to 30. Actually, 30 is too high. I'll do 15. That should go here. Should give the epic tier. No, not the epic tier, the rare tier. Oh, you do sports? Nice. Oh yeah, I don't do legs at all. This is my first time. I don't I don't even do much extra. Like I hit the gym mainly for my upper body, but it's the first time I started doing legs. I kind of like screwed up my build because like I actually have a pretty decent upper body, but my legs are just like noodles. Let's see if this works. Okay, so it is blue tier. Did the price get changed? It's so hard to select this. How do I select this? Give me. Can't select this. Let me just delete this. There we go. 1,500. The original cost was 1,000, so it's working. Cool. Are you just like all legs? Do you have upper body? What do you do at the gym for your legs? I hit calves, glutes, hamstring, and quads. It's my first time doing squats. Well, I did in high school, but this is the first time I actually started doing it seriously. I do not have a foam roller. They probably have one at the gym. Are you talking like for to alleviate pain or? Have your legs ever cramped up? Uh, a bit while I was doing it. Eventually, the soreness will go away after I do it for a while. But over like over winter break, I couldn't hit the gym because I was like on vacation, meaning like I was literally out of the country for like a month. So like I couldn't hit the gym. I could only do like body weight exercises like push-ups. Stretches out the muscles. It keeps. Mm. I've not tried that. I might try it. Okay, scaled prices is finished. Oh, I also have to make sure that I do not get decimal points with it. So I'm going to cap it to an integer. How long have you been going to the gym? Uh, Probably 7 months now. A full split? Damn. Yeah, I don't have flexibility in me. I'm slowly progressing up there. Like right now, since I lost a decent amount of muscle mass since I couldn't really hit chest that well. I was doing like for bench, I was doing what was it, 145 for reps. Now I have to go back down to 135 and gain back my muscle, which is one plate on each side. Okay, next thing to code. Uh, Add akimbo pestles for spectating. I need to see how that is right now. I was told that the spectating system was quite buggy at the moment. Smithy machine? What weight? Starting like I think like a month and a half ago, I could actually no, more like 2.5 months ago, I could start benching my own body weight. So that's good. You don't make Unity games? Nah. If you want to do indie games, it's incredibly difficult for multiplayer indie games, mainly because of server costs. Seven to 80 kilograms. I don't know how much that is in American units. Leg press sanitarium. Okay. I'm going to feed other my other character to the zombies, so I can test spectating. Let me also turn on audio. I'm gonna turn off audio for this. It's already off. I'm gonna share the audio as well, so you guys can hear it. You should hear it now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the one you're referring. Is it the one where you're like sitting down, and you're pushing weights, right, with your legs? Okay. I'm not gonna revive my other character. Yeah. I don't know how much I can like actually like pull off right now with my legs, since I was just like, since it was like my first time like properly doing squats, I didn't want to like fuck it up, because doing is like hella scary because you can't spot as easily, or other people can't spot you as easily. So I was just focusing on technique mainly, and then I'm gonna try increasing the weight later. Do you know when the next stream might be? It's whenever I feel like it, basically. Whenever I get enough time. Okay. That's weird. It's showing the third person muzzle flash. Oh. The idle animation's not playing. Oh, now it is. Huh? So if I swap guns. Yeah, okay, that's weird. The knifing shows though. Huh. Huh. Okay, it's kind of funny. Is there any errors? Okay, projectile. Okay, no errors. Your main sport is ice hockey. Damn. I think sports seems like how bad is like injury rate for you? Because that's the one thing I was like scared about like doing sports, like especially doing like competitively. Let's figure out the spectating issue. Spectate weapon equip. You've had 0 injuries. That's rare to hear, yeah. Kimbo weapons. Normal weapons. Normal. Animations, equip weapon. Oh. That's probably why it's not working. Yeah, when I hear about like sports and stuff, I just hear about like lots of injuries. Animations.idle. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. I forgot how Kimbo weapons work. I think I played both. Yeah, I did. But no find the Discord or anything when it'll be public. Yeah, once the game's ready, we'll announce the release date. Oh, slot data. What else did I send here? Just that. I'm gonna make this into a variable. Yeah, I reused the exact same thing here. I'll call it animation data. This would be a good name. And cool thing with Roblox now is you can do this. Oh, are these not the same thing? Weapon, and current. Am I tripping? Or can you not do multi-line select? You cannot. That's annoying. Okay, I gotta manually place these then. Keynote or Toten? I mean, we can't add every single map. Each map takes so long to make. And it's like Yeah. Gold Cow looks really good. Uh, Some people like say I don't know, some people have different opinions on it because the like reflective camos like the gold one and diamond, for example, they really depend on the lighting. So it doesn't look that good if you're in like a dark environment, but if you're in a really like well lit area, it looks really good. Welcome, Dream. You guys have a lot of people working on the game. So are you talking about full-time developers or everyone who's worked on the game so far? If I'll do like this, I guess. If animations dot like that, I guess. Animations dot left, animations dot right. Main developers. So we have three other full-time developers, and including me, that'd be four. So we have one, we have an animation lead, and then we have two. They mainly do modeling, but they also do other stuff. So they can do UI. The one I'm referring to right now is Gonzo. It is UI. He also helps with some sounds. It's graphics as well. Equip animation. Normal dot or no dot idle. I'm also gonna print out what this is. So normal is just one, like I guess normal weapons that only normal is just whatever's not akimbo. If you have an akimbo weapon, you have a left and right gun, and they act independently, so they can have different animations. So I need to play two different equips animations, basically. I guess I'll have to create equip left and equip right. Um, Hopefully that works. Yeah. The spectating system has been like one of the biggest pains. It's breaking like so many times. I've had to fix it. I had to spend like many countless hours trying to fix it. How many people do you wish you had helping full time to make things faster? I mean, we would like as many as we can get, but it's just the issue is we don't have enough funding. That's why our scope is pretty. That's why our team is pretty small.
Power level. Critical. Major
I want to
systems.
talk about full-time developers. Full-time developers, they. Oh God, I forgot this is round 15. At least it works. Some people are contract commission. There's only 4 full-time people. So full-time developers, they actually get a cut of the profit, and then everyone else is contracted. So actually, one of them is in the chat right now, Auto NK. He made some of the weapon models and attachments, I believe. S point is the most programming. Uh, it's everything. We still so one of the big things we still have to do is we still need to balance the game. There still needs some attachments need to be done. Some art needs to be done in the game as well. So it's like I think everything besides I think the only thing that's really finished right now is like the animation department. Is that default health? That is not default health. I do not know who changed that. You're supposed to start with 150, not 500. If Korrupt blows up, then we should have enough money to get a lot more developers on, which I'd look forward to. Okay, it's time to test this now. Let me set the round back. Have you made any progress on Town? Town it's the map's gonna come out after launch. We have not started on it. What do you say is the best base gun in the game? I have no clue. We we haven't finished balancing the game. Yeah, too many devs, you wind up having a monkey code. That is true. The one difficulty thing is like how to manage. That's also one thing. I don't know. I don't because I like programming a lot. I don't like having to manage. Not gonna lie. It takes away time that could be programming. I must have removed the death machine. I don't need it anymore. To make this faster, I'm also gonna change the revive system. So you'll only be down for like 2 seconds. Game has a lot of visits. Oh, Mr. TLX5 has been like a massive help towards us to like getting more people to see the game.
Power level critical. Major systems offline.
Yeah, I hate dealing with people just as much. Okay, I'm gonna have a collar holder get mauled by zombies. Oh, I can also show that. Oh, I don't have enough money. Why is it 1,000? It's supposed to be like 500. You don't like working for people? It's not entirely true. I'm I'm just more interested in creating like our own stuff. Okay. I'm waiting for a collar holder to die. I also need to. Man, I don't know why Roblox makes it like locks my mouse. I'm just trying to. Okay. I'm just trying to see this. The logs. Cool. Enable friendly fire. I remember we did that at Rush Point in our unranked game mode, and people would kill each other with grenades. We got so many reports. Oof. Wait, that's not correct. Idle. Yeah. Okay. I need to look into that. Spectate weapon equip. Idle. How did that happen? Children rage. I could probably something fun I could do is since we have game modifiers, I can probably add a setting to enable friendly fire. Oh, I handled that differently than I expected. Wait. Idle left, idle right. Wait. Shoot. I think I'm handling this in two different ways. Is game chat possible on Roblox? Oh. It is. We haven't thought about that actually. So we don't have it yet. I think I'm gonna change the way I do this to what I did here. I think that'd be better. Do idle left, idle right. Yeah, let's do that. I think that's a bit better. So idle left, equip left. An idle. Okay. So instead of adding this normal thing, I'm just gonna do animations to idle. I believe every time you send an animation to the left side, you should also send one to the right side. I think. Actually. Spect. I need to see what happens if I make it shoot. Animation updates. Idle left. Can you give us a showcase of town? We haven't even started work. We haven't even worked on it yet. Okay, I'm assuming. Hopefully that will work. Okay, equip. Equip right. Okay, and then you see how the packet system works. It's like many. I coded this like 8 months ago. Uh, I send spectating data. Send spectating data. Oh, it's a separate animation update. Okay. Anyone else currently working on it right now? I think it's just me at the moment. Animation. Animations. Find shoot. I guess that works. Okay, we'll see how well, this works out, I guess. Oh, shoot, empty as well. If you find... Okay, let's try that. It's the last major thing I have to do for spectating, and I think that should be it.
Power level critical. Major systems offline.
Man, this doesn't work as well. It's supposed to show the dynamic or the moving camo on other people's screens. I don't know what happened with that. Okay. I have a color holder die again. How long is early access gonna be before full release? We're thinking maybe like, can't say for sure, but like maybe 1 to 2 weeks. Okay. Alright, animations are working so far. Okay. Now, I know this is probably gonna break everything in the game. Oops, what? But if I give myself the Mustang and Sally, it's gonna probably break spectating. Let me... You guys are curious to see how we're using MongoDB for a database. Oh, I do have Mustang and Sally already. That's cool. Now all I need is equip it and I see what breaks. We're gonna have any rewards for playing on day release? I believe we actually had something planned for that. I don't remember. Yes, we do. We have a reward if you play. Probably like the first week of release. Of course, it's not coded yet, but fun. Okay, Mustang and Sally.
Power level critical. Major major systems offline.
Yeah, I haven't even decided on like what the reward's gonna be for playing the first week. Okay. It's gonna be killed. And let's see. Okay, the game's entirely breaks. That's great. I'm gonna screenshot this. Get clip size errors. No, it's slot data. Spectate manager line 549. Update packet out slot data. 173. Oh, that's yeah. I think slot data is only provided, yeah, only by spectating. So that should fix that. I think. Yeah, he's slot data here. So this is just the process here with spectating. He's gotta keep testing like a million times, and eventually you'll get something that works. Cause you can't even do this on studio, cause we have so many meshes that the game just like refuses to load. We're trying to do a 2-player session in studio. End game boss. No, it's just currently it's just however it's endless. How many maps on release? Currently we have 3.
Power level.
What's my
critical.
PC specs?
Major systems offline.
Ryzen 9 7950X, 64 gigabytes, 6000 megahertz memory, a 4090. Yeah, we have mastery attachments, and another thing we also have that plays a lot into repetition or to help make an as repetitive is the corrupt crystals. So you get just like in Cold War, you can keep upgrading your stuff. Okay, it's not as buggy as before, but we got another error. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this bug is related to it's on line 74, playing animations, which comes from line 331. Okay, so oh, how is that happening? When it's saying to equip weapon, it's saying it's only equipping normal weapon stuff. It's not choosing the akimbo weapon animation. Did I screw up native type of idle? Did I hard code something here? I did. I see. This is wrong. Oh god, you got just a lot of chats. Jesus. Could weekly challenges be a possible idea? I think I was pushing for it, but at the moment the team didn't want to do it. But it wouldn't be that difficult to add since it's the same system as the daily challenges. Um, yeah, that's one thing with the COD Zombies formula is the whole thing is just repetitive. That's why we went with the colder route where you can actually progress and change up your playstyle basically. You keep unlocking new attachments, more upgrades. And then the leaderboards for the people who are like really competitive in the game. I don't even know if people liked Modern Warfare 3 Zombies. Plus, of course, that's something we literally cannot do based on how small our team is, our development team. Do you think you can add something onto that from being as repetitive? We already do. The colder formula, colder zombies formula. You can upgrade. You get player level that unlocks new weapons. You can unlock new attachments by using weapons. You get new corrupt crystals, and you can get mastery camos. You can grind the leaderboard. One of the many things you can do. Oh shit! God damn it! I chose the wrong
Power.
gun. Like in game. I mean, utility helps a bit. We This is currently just a proof of concept, but we're gonna be adding like maybe in the future other stuff to the gameplay. We're thinking of adding like a currency called like zombie heads, where you can craft power ups to make stuff more interesting. Mustang and Sally.
Power level critical.
Yeah, we're not doing Gobble Go.
Systems offline.
I just felt like that system was very, it's pay to win. I'm not gonna lie. After you unlock everything, there isn't much you can really do. At that point, it's mainly just like grinding the leaderboards. It's difficult to create something that's like infinitely, how do you say, infinitely, something you can keep repeatedly playing without it getting repetitive. That's really difficult to do. Yeah, my gun's showing up. Okay. Wait, it's actually working. Oh my gosh, it's actually... That is sick. I did not expect it to work that fast. Oh, shit. Calling cards? Yeah, but we have emblems and banners right now in the game that you can customize. So next thing I want to fix is let me see. I think the shooting thing is not looking correct. How do I do the shooting? Oh. Oh. I don't know if the game errored. I feel like the game should have errored because this code for showing muzzle flash should only play on non-akimbo weapons, otherwise it'll error. Am I in the same server? How did I get into different servers? I mean, like, once you get max level, it's not gonna be infinitely repetitive because as we do more updates, we're gonna add like new weapons, new maps and stuff. That's actually why we have a level cap. So when it come out with a new update, you won't have that. Even if you're max level, you won't have that weapon unlocked, the new weapon unlocked immediately. You have to grind for it again. You gotta spend time, and you gotta get the new weapon, and then you gotta get the new attachments. You gotta grind the mastery again. So every update, you have new stuff to do, basically. Oh, my game crashed. That's great. I love Roblox sometimes. We have the Mark II ray gun. We do not have it at the moment. You have prestige. We do not have prestige. Transit full into unseal. That actually, I think we were planning to do that, but it would have been that's like such a big undertaking. That map is like massive. Something like also we also want to try like Origins, but like Origins is like the biggest map ever. it would take literally a whole year to complete. But the cool thing is, if the game's popular enough, you guys can make your own origins and stuff.
Systems offline.
So you're not limited by us. I don't know about the Michael Zombies bug. I don't really play the game that often. What is Blockstrap?
Oh, no.
Kill the other guy. There you go. I'm assuming it's erroring here. Yes, that's right. Reference objects. Alright. Shouldn't be too difficult since I figured out. Blockstrap is basically yes. Yeah. Currently I just use the FPS unlocker made by the staff member. Axton, I think it was. I'm gonna decide. So I need to independently fire each gun when you have a Kimbo. So muzzle attachment. Reference object. Okay. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this. So it's an akimbo weapon. Activate shooting effect. Okay. I think that should work. Oh, how does eject shell work as well? Okay, and they specify which side as well. I have something on my other monitor. You can't see it, but okay. Hopefully this works. Let me launch everything again. What mouse do I use? I'm currently using the Glorious Model O. How to report any bugs come across? Yeah, usually we just have like a bug report thing set up in the Discord. Actually, Roblox actually came out with some really handy features. So you can see basically every single error that happens in the game without having to join the game. So that will help a lot for fixing bugs and stuff. The issue with the Glorious Model O is like it is so fragile. I had one, a wireless
Power
one that kept in my
critical.
backpack,
Major systems
and
offline.
the the scroll wheel literally it fell off after like a few weeks in my backpack, and I got it replaced, and it happened again. And I just got fed up, and I got a Razer Viper Ultimate. That one's so much more sturdy. Okay, oh. God damn it. I'm bad. I didn't select the Mustang and Sally. I'm dumb. Try that again. Why are you using Glorious if you have a better mouse? I mean, the Razer Viper one. That's specific. I use that specifically with my laptop. I use the Model O for my. I'm using a wired Model O for my PC right now. Gun levels 21 out of 20. I don't. I'm hoping that's not a bug. I might have asked like change it myself in the database. If not, I'll have to look into that. There's very like minor bugs that we need to fix. What headset do I use? I use the Arctis Nova Pro wireless. This one. It's hella expensive. It's like goes like 300 to 350. Honestly, this is like how do you say? It's like one of the best headsets
Power
I've like
level
ever bought.
critical. Major systems
First of all,
offline.
I hate wired headsets, and this is wireless. The battery life on it will literally last 22 hours. Yeah, it sounds great with it. So there's 22 hours battery life. My previous one only had like 8 hours battery life, so I had to charge it like midway through. And with this headset, it has a swappable battery. You're given two batteries, so you just swap it. So one is charging, and you swap them around. So basically, you can have a headset that's basically running 24/7. So if you ever run out of batteries, swap it instantly. You can do the swap within like 10 seconds. And the fact that the headset also has wireless and it has Bluetooth. So I have the wireless connected to my PC and I have Bluetooth connected to my phone. The cool thing about that is I don't miss phone calls now. If someone calls me on my phone, it goes straight to my headset. The mic isn't that good, not gonna lie. I'm not using the headset mic right now. I have a dedicated mic. People say my phone mic is much better though than the headset mic. What mic do I use? I don't remember exactly. It's a pencil condenser mic. Oh, man, I keep talking so much. I keep forgetting what I'm testing. can pull up which one I bought. Pencil. I have this one, Samsung CM2 pencil condenser mic. I can post it. I just realized, hopefully this song won't get me banned from Twitch. Huh. The thing with the song I'm listening to currently, it's an exclusive song. It's like you have to buy their vinyl to listen to the song. You can't find it on YouTube. Yeah. It's just that the song, like, you literally cannot find it on YouTube. You have to buy their vinyl to listen to it. So it should be fine. I don't think they'll care that much. Mic looks so goofy. It's a different type of microphone. This type of microphone, it's something that you keep at a long range. Other mics you put right next to your mouth. I don't really like having the mics like right next to my mouth because I accidentally waxed. Oh my god, I forgot to select again. I accidentally whack my microphone and stuff. Okay, let's see if I can actually remember what to do this time. Actually, no, the mic is pretty good. It catches stuff only at like close to medium range. It's been pretty effective. Problem I have with my headset is that you can hear what I'm hearing through my mic. Yeah, I don't have that issue with this. If your headsets are like not properly covering, like if you have a lot of noise leakage, that could be it from your headphones, or if your mic is really sensitive.
Power level critical. Major systems offline.
Okay. Explosions. I kill my friend. Uh-oh. Don't kill me. Boom. I don't think that worked properly. Yeah, that did not. 1271.
Ah!
1271 line 385. Oh. That should fix that. Alright, actually, so I have to go now. It's time for dinner. The moaning sounds. I'm thinking of like completely redoing the female's voice lines because it's just the person who wrote them are just it's not good voice lines. It's actually a porno. I'm probably gonna have that rewritten. It is so bad right now. Yeah, but I think the other three characters are fine though. But it's just the female is just like the voice lines are just like so poorly written. Alright. So that's all I'm gonna do for today. I have to end the stream. I might stream again this weekend if I have more time. So thank you all for joining.